Well, it's about 12:30 a.m. It's been a super long day, and I'm going to be sleeping in my work truck tonight. And in the morning, I'm going to suit up, put on the camo, and see if I can get myself a turkey. I'll see y'all in the morning. Well, good morning. I'm on my way to where I want to try my luck. So we'll see what happens. It's daybreak. I'm running a little late, but it's all good. Well, I got one decoy set up. Got the second decoy set up. I'm good to go. Well, I spent a few hours out here in the woods. I set my decoys. I didn't hear anything, see anything, and by the way, this is a decoy. It's not a real turkey. I'm sure you know that. I'm not an expert turkey hunter yet, but I'm very optimistic. And well, if you like this video, please subscribe. May God keep you. May God bless you. That's what I'm talking about.